Hello guys. We cook guys the onions with beef. We cook onions, beef. Guys, enjoy watching. That's all guys. And we cook the onions and beef. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Just little only guys. Yes. Of course, first one is thank you so much for watching everyone. That's all guys. Thank you so much and God bless. We just put a little sugar for the taste guys. That's a little sugar. That's all everyone.